Hello all, this is Sai Kumar. Subscribe my channel, like, share to your friends. Thank you. So today I'm going to share you one of the story where at the end you are going to learn a very meaningful moral of it. Once Lord Indra is known as Lord of Rain. He was very upset with the farmers and he called all the farmers and he informed that there will be no rain for next 12 years. All farmers got very depressed and they are worried. They started begging to Lord Indra to pour a rain. So Indra said that if you want to get a rain, there is only one solution. That is, you have to go to Lord Shiva and you have to ask him to play Damaru. Whereas if you place a Damaru, you can get a rain. But Lord Indra is already informed to Lord Shiva that you are not going to play Damaru for next 12 years. So Lord Shiva said, of course, whatever you say, listen. So these all farmers went to Lord Shiva. They started asking to Shiva. They are requesting to give a rain, to pour to play a Damaru. But Lord Shiva strictly said that you are not going to get rain for next 12 years and I'm not going to play Damaru for upcoming 12 years. So these all farmers got upset. They went back to their village. They went back to their home. The next day, the one farmer came out of his home. He took seeds. He started digging the ground. He started treating and putting the area like manure in the soil, and the seeds he started growing harvesting the seeds. Though he know that he is not going to get a rain, the same procedure he carried on for 3 years. These all remaining farmers were laughing at him, daily they were laughing at him. But this farmer, he carried on his own work. So one day, one farmer asked him, you are putting lots of efforts, you are wasting lots of energy, though you know that we are not going to get rain for 12 years. So why you are doing this procedure? Why you are wasting your time, your energy? You can rest for 12 years and after 12 years anyhow you are going to get a rain. You can harvest the seeds. You can carry on your cropping. But this farmer said that in these 12 years, I may forget crop doing farming. I may forget how to yield it, how to put in manure, how to nurture it. So not to forget it, I am practicing so that after 12 years, immediately I can get crop after rain. This all communication the goddess Parvati was listening. After listening this, Parvati was impressed. Goddess Parvati was impressed and she was saying to Shiva, Lord Shiva, that see Lord Shiva, this person, he knows that he is not going to get rain for next 12 years. But then also, his vision is very clear. He is doing his own work, what he used to do from these many years. He is doing farming. He is never waiting for the 12 years to get a rain. He is doing this practice. He is having a great vision. So after listening this, Shiva, he was calm. The goddess Parvati was trying to explain that maybe this farmer is doing these all things because of not to forget his regular works. So she immediately gave a hint to Lord Shiva that, Lord Shiva, in these 12 years, you may forget to pray Damaru. Shiva got a very active in his body language. Suddenly he started feeling anxiety, whereas after 12 years, if he forgets to play Damaru, it will be a problem for him. So he took a Damaru, he started testing the Damaru. Suddenly when he started testing the Damaru, the rain was started heavily on the earth. The thunder started coming, lightning. The rain came very heavily on the earth. As Lord Indra said that whenever Shiva plays a damaru, you will get a rain. Shiva trying to test his damaru, the earth got a rain. So immediately after rain, the person who is cropping, who is doing his practice for 3 years, immediately after 1 month or 2 months, he got a very good crop. So remaining farmers, they started doing farming where they get lots of time to get a crop. So what you are going to learn from this story is your practice should never stop. Whatever the practice, whichever the field you are, your practice, you should never stop the practice. Whenever you are not getting results, you never feel that there is no use of doing the hard work. Believe in yourself. Do practice. Practice is essential thing in a life. So why I am saying this story is, after this lockdown, we don't know whether lockdown is going to lift up after 2 months, 2 weeks, 2 years. It won't go after 2 years. But whatever the time period the lockdown is extending, try to sharpen your skills, whichever the field you are. Try to sharpen your skills. Try to increase your strength in whatever the things you are learning. And don't wait for the rain. Rain will come at correct time. Do your practice. Take this lockdown as a blessings for you. Start something which gives a plus point after this lockdown, whereas lots of jobs are going to be affected. If you upskill yourself, if you learn new skills in your own field, so after lockdown, you are going to get lots of use by learning these skills. So challenges will be there in our life. The only way to fight the challenges is strengthening our talent, skills. So have a great day, have a great week, have a great lockdown. Be safe, pray for all. Once again, I am requesting you to subscribe my channel, share to as many people as you can, whereas they can learn the knowledge. So my videos are totally upon skill development and motivational career guidance. So all this type of videos you are going to get in near future. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Signing off.